Hello children, Sairam. So let's start with our English composition. Now, before we go ahead, just tell me one thing. Suppose you have some opinions, okay, regarding a topic, and you want to tell it to someone, okay, and maybe you want to tell it to everyone actually. So how will you do so? You can tell to everyone, right? To the people who are near to you, isn't it? But what if you want to tell about the topic, your opinion, to the whole world? What you will do? How will you do it? Yes, you will write, isn't it? You will write those opinion, your opinion, isn't it? Now, many a times you must have seen that the writers or many of the people, what they do when they want to let the others know their opinions or their thoughts, what they do? They write, isn't it? They write so that everyone in the world, they can just read it, and the opinion, what is their opinion, it can be read everywhere, right? So in this way, the suggestions, you can find many suggestions or the any problem or whatever is there, whatever the writers want to write, they can write in the newspaper, magazines, journals, or nowadays blogs also, right? They have their own blogs. So they are writing about their opinions and beliefs, right, in the form of an article, right? So article, yes, right? So today we will learn about article writing. Okay. Now many times you must have heard in your previous class. Okay, many times the class teachers used to come in the class and she used to announce, okay children, bring articles for the magazines. Remember? Okay. So the same way today we are going to learn how to write the articles. Are you ready for that? Book is ready? Your pen is also ready, I think, right? Okay. Now, let's start. So, our topic for today is article writing. Okay, the articles which mostly you can write. Okay, now I hope by the end of this session, you will be able to write articles of your own, right? And you can very well publish them. You can write now, and when the school starts, you can very well publish them in the school magazine. So ready for it? Okay. Now what is article writing? Okay, it is an expression of one's thoughts on an issue or a subject written in a meaningful paragraph. Okay, so that is article writing. It is just a piece of writing, okay, which we usually find printed or published in newspaper or magazines, isn't it? So it may be related to some current issue, that means the topic which is going on, or the topic of interest of the writer, whoever is writing. You can write about your own opinion on that topic. Ready? So here we go now. Let's see the format. Now how to write these articles. Okay. Now what it is? Okay. So your heading. Okay. You will start with what? Heading. That means the title. So topic. You may get the topic or you may get a line on that. You have to decide the title. Anyhow you will get it. So suppose you have already got the heading. So first in the center of the page you are going to write the heading. Then very next line, okay, you can see the word by there. Okay, so there you have to write the writer's name. It is called as byline. Now you can see there, heading is in the center of the page and the byline, okay, the writer's name. From where you will start? From the center of the heading. Whatever topic, whatever title you have written, exactly below it, from the center, you will write the writer's name. Then you will have the content. Exactly, you are going to write 3 paragraphs. So article writing, here you have to write 3 paragraphs. And which are they? The first paragraph will be introductory paragraph. Second will be the middle paragraph, the main content, where you will write your main thoughts. And the third paragraph will be the concluding paragraph. Got it? So how many paragraphs will be there for articles? 3 paragraphs. What will be the first one? Introductory paragraph, followed by the middle paragraph, and then you are going to end it with concluding paragraph. Okay, so this is the simple format for your article writing. Heading, then the byline, then you will leave one line there, and then the content. That means the 3 paragraphs. Okay, so this is the format for writing article. Now I'll tell you more about it. Okay, now what are the steps actually? So first was what? Heading, right? Heading, so it will come in the center of the page. Okay, center of the page. Then the heading, the title, whichever you are going to write, it should be catchy, interesting enough to attract the readers. Okay, then it should be in 2 to 3 words. Okay, it should be in 2 to 3 words. Then the first letter of each word should be capital. Now we know that when we begin a sentence, when we start with a sentence, the first letter is always capital. Okay, but here this is the title. So whenever you are going to write the title, the first letter of each word should be capital. Okay, you will get to know when we are going to write our article. Ready? Okay, let's move. Then the byline. Okay, there it includes the writer's name. Now the name will be given in the question. You have to write that name only. You will not write your own name, but the name given in the question. Okay, so byline, that is the writer's name, which will be given in the question. Then you have the content. Okay, content. How many paragraphs should be there? 3 paragraphs, right? So the first paragraph is what? Introductory paragraph. What will come in that? You will be doing the briefing. That means the brief introduction. Okay, in short, you will introduce using some quotations, facts, or some statement about the topic given. Okay, so it will be a brief introduction using some quotations, facts, or statements. Okay, then the second paragraph, that is the middle paragraph. Okay, where you are going to write your opinion or thoughts on the topic given. So what you feel, what are your opinions, what are your thoughts on that topic, you are going to write it down here in the middle paragraph or the second paragraph. Okay, then comes the third paragraph. What it is called? Concluding paragraph. Now what will come here? You are going to sum up. That means you are going to conclude, close, finish off with your articles. Okay, so now how to end up? Here you are going to give some suggestions or some solutions about the topic you are writing on. Okay, now suppose the topic on which you are writing is a good topic. Okay, good thing that is happening. So you will suggest some more good things that can be followed. And if the topic on which you are writing is not a good thing, then what you can do? You will give the solutions for improvement, what can be done. Okay, so in this way the content will first have the brief introduction. In the second paragraph you will have your opinion, what you feel, and the third you are going to end up. Okay, and while ending up you are going to give some your opinion, not opinion actually, your solutions or some suggestions. Okay, so that way you will be closing up your last concluding paragraph. Followed the format, right? Okay, now one more thing. Before you start, there are a few things you have to keep in mind. You have to remember, right? You just cannot keep on writing anything anyhow just because you know that, okay, heading will come, so I'll write heading. Okay, 3 paragraphs, so I'll just write it down. No. Your ideas. You have to organize your ideas. Okay, you will, once the topic is given, you have to think about that topic. Okay, what I can write on this. Okay, so many thoughts will come, so you have to make a rough draft. Okay, rough ideas you have to collect in your mind, and then afterwards you have to organize them. Okay, like a story outline. Okay, you will just write down the points. If you have a rough book next to you, you can just write the rough points. Okay, and then you have to organize them. Which point should come first? Okay, what I have to write? Okay, this. So in this way, you have to organize your ideas. Don't write unnecessary things, okay, which you will find it difficult to relate to the topic. Okay, then comes follow the format. Very important. You should see what the format is demanding. That way only you have to write. Heading. So you will write the heading in the center. Byline, that means the writer's name, right? And the 3 paragraphs. Now the 3 paragraphs also, they are different, isn't it? Introductory means you are going to introduce the topic. Middle paragraph wherein you are going to express yourself there, your opinion. And then the third concluding, you have to finish off with your article here. So you will suggest some, you'll give some suggestions or you'll give some solutions to the topic you are talking about or you're writing about, isn't it? Okay, so you have to follow the format. Keep it simple. Okay, that means the language whichever you are using and or whatever you want to write. Just don't write big long sentences. Keep it simple, clear and easy language with small sentences. Okay, so what you are going to do here, keep it simple. You will not write unnecessary things. Then you will avoid the long words or the long sentences, and important thing is that you will not do overwriting. If any word is wrong, cut it and rewrite that word. Okay, instead of just writing over that particular word and correcting, it's better that you cut that word and you write it again. Okay, so it is better to write again instead of overwriting. Okay, follow till here. And the last thing, grammatical or the spelling mistakes, again you have to check them and just make it perfect for the readers to read it. Fine? Okay, so I hope you have followed the format clearly, and what things you have to keep in mind, that also you know properly, isn't it? So ready for the topic? Okay, so here it goes. The question is, okay, here you can see the question. You are Karthik or Kirti? Now if you are a boy, of course you are Karthik, your name is Karthik, and if you are a girl, your name is Kirti. So you are Karthik or Kirti, head boy or girl of standard 5. Write an article in about 10 to 15 sentences on the topic importance of tree plantation. Here you can see how many sentences it's mentioned, 10 to 15. Okay, so your paragraphs you have to manage accordingly. Okay, how many lines to give for each paragraph? The first paragraph can be a brief, the second little lengthy one, and then the third one you can conclude it. Okay, so you have to write article in about 10 to 15 sentences. Now here the topic is given. What is the topic? Importance of tree plantation. Now can you see here how it is written? I capital of importance, T of tree is again capital, plantation again P is capital. Okay, so leaving the preposition, all the other words are in capital. Starting letter is capital. Now one more thing is given here. You can use the following inputs. Means, what are inputs here? That means you will be getting some points which you have to use while writing your article. Okay, So the question is, you are Karthik or Kirti, head boy or girl of standard 5. Write an article in about 10 to 15 sentences on the topic importance of tree plantation. You can use the following inputs. Now let's see what are the inputs here. Okay, so these are the few points given. Purifies air, imbalance of environment, avoid cutting trees, spread awareness, and noble cause. So these are few points, clues given to you. So points are given. You have to use them in your sentences. Okay, you will not write them as point wise. Okay, you have to use them in your sentences, just like story outline. Right, the word was given and you have to expand that word into a proper sentence, isn't it? Same way here also, word or words are given which you have to expand them in your own sentence. Okay, you can make 2 to 3 sentences out of that one point also. Okay, so these are the inputs. So here goes our article. Okay, so center of the page, you are going to write the title, heading. So it is, what is the heading? Importance of tree plantation. Right? Then just below it, you have the byline, by Karthik. Okay, so you will not write your name but the name given in question. So we have written here by Karthik. You can see it is again exactly below the title and in the center of the title. So then again, now touching the margin, you have to start with your article. Yeah, one point I forgot to tell you again now here, the format. Okay, you have to write the format on which side of the page? Left hand side. I hope you remember that. So every time whenever you're doing, if a format is given, you have to write it on the left hand side page. And on the right hand side, you're going to write the topic, the answer which is given to you. So ready here? Okay, so touching the margin, our paragraph will start. Don't do this mistake. Many of you have the habit actually to leave two-finger sentence and start two-finger space, not sentence, two-finger space and start with the paragraph. Forget that. Okay, what you will do, you have to start your paragraph no matter what you are writing, on which topic you are writing. You will start your paragraph by touching the margin only. Okay, you will not leave two-finger space. So here goes the article. Trees are important for us. They give us innumerable things. They purify air without which we cannot imagine to exist. Okay, so this is the first paragraph, introductory paragraph. Now the middle paragraph is starting, where you are going to actually express your opinions. Man has thoughtlessly cut down forests and other trees for his selfish needs. This has resulted in the imbalance of environment. Lack of trees makes air impure. So you can see the points, okay, the inputs which were given is used here, okay, air impure, air purifies air. So all those points we are going to include here. So lack of trees makes air impure. Hence, it is high time to understand the worth of our forests and avoid cutting them. We should also encourage tree plantation. Grow more trees should be our motto. We can save our lives from dangerous consequences by planting more and more trees. It is also necessary to spread awareness among common people. Okay, so here we have finished with our second paragraph. We have expressed our opinion. Now what we have to do, we have to start with our third paragraph. okay, where we are going to sum up the article by giving some suggestion or some solution. Okay, so the third paragraph starts, people should be motivated to realize the importance of tree plantation. Okay, let us take a pledge to plant trees in more and more numbers and promote others for this noble cause. So you can see we have included all our inputs which were given in our article. Okay, and in the last paragraph we have also given what? Suggestion or solution. What is the topic here? Importance of tree plantation. So is it important? Yes. So is it a good thing? Yes. So when you are writing on a good thing, good topic, what you give? You give a suggestion or a solution? You give some suggestions, right? So you have suggested here what? To plant more trees, right? And promote others for this noble cause. Okay, so this is our article writing. I hope you followed it and now you are ready to write on any given topic. Okay, so just don't forget to write the format on the left hand side. And I would also like to add something about your cursive writing, your copywriting. I hope you are doing that, and also about the value education. Okay, it is very simple. Short stories are there. You can very well read them and answer the questions also which are given there, right, at the end of the lesson. Okay, so we'll stop here for the day and see you next time.